All right, we're going to talk about in the video traveling with the fan. You like travel with a fan? We do. We travel with a couple little fans. It's very convenient. One thing about hotel rooms is they never have fans, not even ceiling fans. The few that have it, we were at one this last year at a ceiling fan, and it wasn't a high-end hotel and had a ceiling fan, just made it feel more high-end. Note to hotel people, put a fan in the room. But, you know, the bathrooms get warm with the fan on, you know, when you're going to sleep and everything like that. It just makes it better all around. You're just sitting around, need a little air movement, and you're good to go. These are the two. This is the one I have, and this is my wife. Now, this case didn't come with a fan. I think this was Delta. Is it? Yeah, Delta. We flew somewhere Delta, and this was like packed stuff in our seat. I think when we went to Europe, we went to Germany and Paris. They get packed little stuff, but here's hers. She likes this one. Both of these are rechargeable, you know, just here it is here. There's that USB-C, and hers is the micro right there. So, or the mini, sorry, mini. But they're both rechargeable. Hers sits like this, and then it basically up, down, you know, this comes in different colors. This one here, I think we got it at Amazon. I'll link below. Yeah, maybe it was Walmart, but I think it was Amazon. Now, power's right here, and when you turn it on, it's got 3 speeds right here. It's not charged right now, but you got 3 speeds with it. It's low, medium, and high, but it's just real simple. This one is a lot more space saving, and if you find a little bag like this, you have your charger in here, you know, you're good to go. So it's all good right there. So mine is a little more versatile. It's not as small, but if you're trying to save space when you travel, these do go up, so you do save a little more space. But with this here, you do have the 3 legs that you can do in any position, any angle, any place, and you can, you know, obviously turn here into 3 speeds, you know, low, medium, high, and that moves, you can hear it really good, moves a lot of air, and that's all. Nice thing about this is if you have like you're on bed and it's like a night post, you can take these, wrap it around your night post, and just blow it down on the bed at night if you want that. If you have it in your carry-on, I don't know if you want to turn it on the plane, but it'd be very easy to set up and manipulate the arms when you're on a plane for a fan, or in a car, or anywhere like that. So the travel's really nice. But that's basically why we travel with fans, just to make life more comfortable. You know, because in travel, you know, you don't want to be a caveman. You know, you don't have to live in the Taj Mahal, but you do want to be comfortable. So these are the 2 travel fans we like. I prefer this one. She prefers this one. That's all a personal preference. And there's also other styles out there, but that's the main difference between these 2. That's it. I hope this is enjoyable. If it was, please give it a like. And if you like this, please subscribe. I do appreciate that. Everybody have a great day. Thanks.